Alright, so you definitely get more of a tea flavor from the original Snapple. I don't know how else to describe it. You taste the tea more. And there's definitely more artificial sweetener in the Benner. So they're really not the same, but I mean, it's close enough. If you want tea in a glass container, then this is not bad. Especially for people like me who like the diet stuff. Not bad at all. Certainly for the price of $4 for 6 bottles, a decent and altogether acceptable replacement.